How to eat healthy on a budget. Try these tips and tricks. Now we reach for the prepackaged, the quick fix, the instant gratification of fast food. Yet, as Hippocrates, the father of medicine, wisely intoned, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. To reclaim our health, to rejuvenate our bodies and minds, we must return to the essence of nourishment, embracing the profound wisdom of healthy eating. And crucially, this noble pursuit need not strain our finances. Today we embark on a journey of enlightenment, revealing the secrets to maintaining a wholesome diet on a budget. We shall arm ourselves with the knowledge, overcome the degeneration of our diets, and find fortitude in the embrace of nature's bounty. Together we shall explore practical strategies and philosophical insights to inspire a renewed dedication to eating well. The power of planning. The journey towards healthy eating on a budget begins with the ancient and venerable art of planning. In the words of the Roman philosopher Seneca, if one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable. Planning is our compass, guiding us through the tempest of daily temptations and the siren songs of unhealthy choices. Imagine the serenity of knowing what you will eat each day, each meal thoughtfully considered and prepared. Take time each week to map out your meals, creating a shopping list that ensures you purchase only what you need. This reduces waste and curbs impulsive spending. Begin with a foundation of whole foods, grains, legumes, fresh produce, and lean proteins. These are the building blocks of a nutritious diet and are often the most affordable. Beans and lentils, for example, are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They are versatile and can be transformed into a myriad of dishes. These foods are both nourishing and economical. The philosopher Epictetus reminds us wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. By embracing simplicity and the wholesome virtues of bulk foods, we cultivate both health and financial prudence. Seasonal and local produce. Seasonal and local produce not only supports our health, but also connects us to the cycles of nature and the rhythms of the earth. These fruits and vegetables harvested at their peak burst with flavor and nutrition. Moreover, they are often more affordable than their out-of-season counterparts. Visit local farmers markets or join a community-supported agriculture CSA program. Here you will find an abundance of fresh, seasonal produce, the colors, the textures, the aromas. They are a feast for the senses and a testament to the generosity of the earth. In the words of the poet and philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson, the first wealth is health. By choosing seasonal and local produce, we enrich our bodies and honor the natural world. Cook at home. The heart of the home is where true nourishment begins. Cooking at home is not only a means to save money, but also an act of love and creativity. It allows us to control the ingredients, the portions, and the methods of preparation. When we cook, we infuse our food with intention and care, transforming simple ingredients into meals that sustain and heal. Begin with basic recipes and build your culinary skills over time. Prepare larger batches of meals and use leftovers creatively. A roasted chicken can become soup, salad, and sandwiches. A pot of beans can morph into chili, tacos, and hummus. The philosopher Socrates declared, the unexamined life is not worth living. Let us examine our eating habits and discover the joys of home-cooked meals. Whole foods over processed foods. In our quest for health, we must turn away from the seductive allure of processed foods. These products, often laden with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, offer little in the way of true nourishment. Instead, we should seek out whole foods in their natural state. These are the gifts of the earth, untainted and pure, bursting with the life force that sustains us. Consider the apple, the carrot, the humble grain of wheat. Each is a marvel of nature, a testament to the interconnectedness of all life. When we choose whole foods, we honor this connection and partake in the wisdom of the ages. The Greek physician Hippocrates, revered as the father of medicine, advised, let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. By choosing whole foods, we embrace this ancient wisdom and nurture our bodies with the highest quality nutrition. Smart shopping strategies. As we navigate the aisles of the grocery store, we must arm ourselves with the knowledge and strategy. First, make a list and stick to it. This simple act can prevent impulse purchases and help you stay within your budget. Next, compare unit prices to ensure you are getting the best deal. Often the larger package may not be the most economical choice. Look for store brands, which are often just as good as name brands but at a lower cost. Use coupons and take advantage of sales, but only for items you actually need. Avoid the trap of buying something just because it is on sale. The philosopher Aristotle observed, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Let us cultivate the habit of smart shopping, making choices that reflect our commitment to health and economy. Start with herbs, which are easy to grow and can significantly enhance the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. Basil, parsley, mint, and thyme thrive in pots and can be grown indoors. Route. Next, consider vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens. These plants are relatively easy to grow and provide a continuous supply of fresh produce. The Roman philosopher Cicero said, if you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. By cultivating our own food, we not only provide for our physical needs, but also nourish our souls, finding solace and joy in the simplicity of nature. The art of substitution. In our culinary endeavors, we must become adept at the art of substitution. Many expensive ingredients can be replaced with more affordable alternatives without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. For example, instead of quinoa, consider using brown rice or barley. Both are nutritious and cost-effective. Greek yogurt can be used in place of sour cream, offering a similar texture with added protein and probiotics. Canned tomatoes can substitute for fresh in many recipes, providing a cost-effective option that still delivers robust flavor. The philosopher Lao Tzu taught, nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. By embracing the art of substitution, we learn to adapt and thrive, finding creative solutions that honor both our health and our budgets. Practical recipes and ideas. As we draw upon these principles, let us now explore practical recipes and ideas that embody the philosophy of healthy eating on a budget. Vegetable soup. Carrots, onions, and spinach come together in a hearty, nutrient-rich soup that is both economical and satisfying. Add herbs and spices to enhance the flavor and serve with whole grain bread for a complete meal. Chickpea and spinach curry. Chickpeas, spinach, tomatoes, and a blend of spices create a flavorful and filling dish. Serve over brown rice or whole grain naan for a complete and affordable meal. Roasted vegetable quinoa salad. Use seasonal vegetables and quinoa or a more affordable grain like bulgur to create nutrient-packed salad. Toss with a simple vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs. Stir-fried tofu and vegetables. Tofu is an affordable source of protein that pairs well with a variety of vegetables. In the pursuit of healthy eating on a budget, we find not only physical nourishment but also a deeper connection to the rhythms of nature and the wisdom of the ages. As we plan our meals, buy in bulk, choose seasonal produce, cook at home, and embrace whole foods, we honor the legacy of philosophers and healers who have extolled the virtues of simplicity and balance. In choosing to eat well, we align ourselves with what is right, nurturing our bodies and minds with the gifts of the earth. Together, we can overcome the degeneration of our diets, finding fortitude and joy in the simple, profound act of eating well. The path is before us, the choice is ours to make. Let's walk this path with wisdom, intention, and gratitude, embracing the healing power of food and the timeless wisdom it embodies. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.